Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma AI to generate presentations. Gamma AI is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline your presentation creation process. It helps you transform your ideas into visually appealing slides with remarkable speed and efficiency. You can focus on crafting your message, while Gamma AI takes care of the design elements, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's dive into the steps to get started. To begin, simply navigate to the Gamma AI platform using your preferred web browser. Once there, you will find an option to create a new presentation. This is where your journey starts. You'll then be prompted to enter your presentation's core topic or a few key points you wish to cover. Following this, you can select from a variety of presentation styles or templates to set the initial aesthetic tone for your slides. After Gamma AI generates your initial set of slides, it's time to review and refine them. You have full control to edit any text, swap out images, or adjust the layout to perfectly match your vision. Feel free to add new slides or remove unnecessary ones to ensure your presentation flows seamlessly. Gamma also offers helpful design suggestions, allowing you to enhance the visual appeal with just a few clicks, making your presentation truly unique. Once you are satisfied with your presentation, Gamma AI makes it incredibly easy to export and share your work. You can choose to download your slides in several popular formats, such as a PDF document or a traditional PowerPoint file. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link, allowing others to view your presentation online. This flexibility ensures your message reaches your audience effectively, enabling you to present your polished work with complete confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.